What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I guess everyone who landed here has the same problem, which is snoring, and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing on the Philips Smart Sleep, which I recently bought, so it's brand new, and I would say we get right into it after the intro. Alright, so recently I went to the doctor because I have problems with snoring. Mainly my girlfriend has the problem, I would say, but also I noticed that it affects my sleep quality. I'm often tired in the morning, so I went to the doctors and they gave me a device which analyzed my sleep behavior, and we found out that I snore when I sleep on my back, and that's what this device is designed for. As soon as you turn on your back, it should vibrate. You can see it here. We will have a closer look in the unboxing. For quieter nights for you and your partner, the Philips Smart Sleep Snoring Relief Band. So we will have a look what's inside the box, and I will just open this here, and we can see we have a manual which welcomes us. It's a quick start guide, I guess, so we can have a quick look into it. So yeah, this is how you set it up. You can track your progress and so on. So this is a nice welcome guide, I would say. I will put this on the side and we will have a closer look on the device. I'm planning to do a long-term review, so I will use this now for some time and then we will see how it works and if it works for me, I would say. So today I guess it's just a quick unboxing and first look on this device for the people who are interested in it, because on the website you cannot see that much, I would say. So I would say get this out here. This is a band which seems to be quite long. I'll put it out, put it on the side here for a moment as well. We have a look what else is in this box here, because I can feel there is something. Okay, so this is a manual as well. Okay, it's just the paperwork, it's the manual, I guess a warranty card, another welcome card, and so on. So I put this back in here, put this on the side, or also I put this on the side as well. So let's have a look. We only have one piece left, and this is, I guess, the charger. We can have a look inside here. So we have the power brick, which is a regular USB power brick, I guess, and then we have a USB cable. It's also a regular USB cable, so no USB Type-C. It's the old standard we all love and know. And yeah, that's basically what you get in the box, these three things. Let me zoom in a bit. Alright, so this is what's inside the box: the device itself, the cable, the charger, and the band. And I would say the band feels really nice. It's super soft. It's really super soft, and as you can see, it's also really long. So I guess even if you're a bigger person, this will fit you. I mean, for myself, I think it will be no problem at all to fit this on my chest. And so this is where you will put in the device. Let's put it in for now. Also, this looks like it will hold the device. Yeah, you can see this is flexible, but I'm already struggling a bit getting it in, so I think there will be no problem that this will not fit or something. I think I put it in the wrong way, but it's fine. We will take it out again and we will have a closer look on the device itself, so you can also see what you get here. So on the back side we have the charger, and on the front side we don't really have much. We have the power button here, and besides that, nothing to it, I would say. Has the Philips branding, and I guess if we push, it turns on, and we have this little display with a couple of signs. And yeah, that's pretty much all you get. So what I will do is, I will set this up, I will test this, and if I'm successful, if this works, I will do a follow-up video on the Philips Smart Sleep device. And if it's not working for me, then please have a look into the comments. I would say in about 2 months time, have a look in the comments. I will pin a comment and I will tell you if there's a follow-up video or if I'm not happy with the device, because it's pretty expensive after all. This cost around 200 euros, $200 I would say. I think it's the same price in Europe and the US if you are from the US. So it's pretty expensive for what it does, and it should just vibrate every time you turn on your back. That's what it's doing. So I would say it's really expensive for what you get. But Philips is a well-known brand, so I hope it will do a good job, and I hope it will help me and it will help my girlfriend to stop me from snoring. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you leave a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel for more updates on the Philips Smart Sleep device. But for now, that's it for the unboxing and first impression. It looks really solid. I'll show you one more time. I mean, it's made of plastic. We didn't really speak about it. It's made of plastic. So, but it looks solid. It's quite light, I would say. Also, the band is really good quality. But I would say that's it now for this video. If you liked what you've seen, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, follow this channel for more updates on the Philips Smart Sleep Band. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.